Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Miro for mind mapping. So let's open a project, and here let's just add some click add to canvas. You can edit this as much as you want. For the mind mapping, you can add relations between elements like this, decision, the next step, etc. So you can also make this mind mapping easy. Let's add, for example, a template. You can choose another template. So you have the workspace, prototype. You can use these templates for mind mapping also. So you get the idea, guys. You can also add some shapes here. Take rectangle. You can add one here. Name it relation, event, etc. You can link this with other elements. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.